Yo, what's up everybody, it's your man, MKBHD, back with another review. This time we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy A15, a phone that's been generating a lot of buzz in the tech world. And let me tell you, after spending some quality time with it, I can see why. This mid-ranger packs some serious punch, delivering a premium experience without the premium price tag. First impressions? Sleek design, comfortable to hold, and feels surprisingly solid for a phone in this category. But enough about the first date, let's get into the nitty-gritty and see what this bad boy can really do. We're talking display, battery life, performance, camera, the whole 9 yards. By the end of this review, you'll know if the Samsung Galaxy A15 is the right fit for your mobile lifestyle. So, buckle up tech enthusiasts, because we're about to break down everything you need to know about the Galaxy A15. From casual users to mobile gamers, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk display. The Galaxy A15 boasts a vibrant 6.5-inch LCD screen that really brings content to life. Colors are rich and punchy, making browsing through photos and watching videos an absolute pleasure. Whether you're scrolling through social media or catching up on your favorite shows, the A15's display delivers an immersive visual experience. And it's not just about the colors. The screen is also surprisingly sharp, thanks to its decent pixel density. Text is crisp and clear, even at smaller font sizes. This makes reading articles, browsing the web, or catching up on emails a breeze. No more squinting at your phone screen. Brightness is another area where the A15 shines. Even under direct sunlight, I had no trouble viewing content on the screen. Whether you're lounging by the pool or commuting on a sunny day, you can rest assured that you'll be able to see everything clearly on the A15's display. Overall, Samsung has done a commendable job with the A15's display. It's bright, vivid, and sharp, making it a joy to use for everyday tasks and entertainment. For a mid-range phone, the display quality is definitely impressive. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the battery life, the Samsung Galaxy. A15 packs a monstrous 5000 mAh battery that will easily power you through 2 full days of moderate usage. Yes, you heard that right, 2 days. This is a game changer for anyone who hates constantly searching for a charger. Whether you're a heavy social media user, a mobile gamer, or just rely on your phone for calls and messages, the A15's battery can handle it all. I put it through its paces with hours of video streaming, browsing, and even some light gaming, and it just kept going. Even with heavy usage, you can comfortably get through a full day without needing to recharge. And if you're a light user who primarily uses their phone for calls, texts, and occasional browsing, you can easily stretch the battery life to 2 days or even more. This is truly remarkable for a phone in this price range. The A15 also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up the battery if you're running low. This is incredibly convenient for those times when you need a quick power boost before heading out. With its massive battery and fast charging capabilities, the A15 ensures that you're always connected and powered up. Section 4, Smooth Operator, Performance and Storage. Now let's dive into the performance of the Galaxy A15. It's powered by a capable octa-core processor and comes with 4 GB of RAM, which is more than enough for smooth multitasking and everyday use. I didn't experience any lag or stutter while switching between apps, browsing the web, or even playing some light games. Apps open quickly and scrolling through menus is fluid and responsive. While it may not be the absolute fastest phone on the market, it certainly holds its own in the mid-range segment. For everyday tasks, social media, and even some light gaming, the A15's performance is more than adequate. In terms of storage, the A15 comes with 64 GB of internal storage, which is plenty for most users. If you're someone who loves taking photos and videos or downloading apps and games, you'll appreciate the ample storage space. And if you ever need more, you can always expand the storage up to 1 TB using a micro SD card. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A15 delivers solid performance for its price point. It's a smooth operator that can handle everyday tasks with ease. While it may not be a gaming powerhouse, it's more than capable for the average user's needs. Section 5. Picture Perfect, Capturing Memories with the A15. Let's move on to the camera department. The Galaxy A15 sports a triple camera system that captures impressive photos and videos for a phone in its class. The main 48-megapixel sensor captures sharp and detailed images in good lighting conditions with accurate colors and a good dynamic range. Even in low-light conditions, the A15's camera performs admirably. The dedicated night mode brightens up images and reduces noise, allowing you to capture usable shots even in challenging lighting. Of course, it's not going to rival flagship phones in low-light photography, but for a mid-range device, the results are impressive. The ultra-wide lens lets you capture more of the scene, which is great for landscape shots or group photos. And the depth sensor helps you take those professional-looking portraits with a pleasing blurred background effect. Whether you're a casual photographer or just love capturing memories, the A15's camera won't disappoint. The phone can also record videos at up to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. The video quality is good with smooth footage and decent stabilization. It's not going to replace a dedicated video camera, but it's more than capable for capturing everyday moments. Section 6. The Verdict Value Champion. So there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy A15. It's a mid-range marvel that punches well above its weight class, offering a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank. From its stunning display to its marathon battery life, the A15 delivers on all fronts. The performance is smooth, the camera is impressive for its class, and the software experience is clean and user-friendly. But perhaps the most significant selling point of the A15 is its unlocked GSM feature. This means you can use it with any GSM carrier worldwide, making it an ideal travel companion. Whether you're a budget-conscious consumer, a frequent traveler, or simply looking for a reliable and feature-packed smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A15 is an excellent choice. It's a value champion that ticks all the right boxes, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to own a great smartphone. So, if you're in the market for a new phone and don't want to empty your wallet, the Samsung Galaxy A15 is definitely worth considering. It's a testament to Samsung's commitment to delivering exceptional mobile experiences across all price points.